Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Last week, a significant development emerged from Southeast Asia that could reshape market access strategies for medical device manufacturers. On March 25th, Malaysia's Medical Device Authority and Thailand's FDA jointly announced a groundbreaking pilot program known as the MedTech Unity Dossier. This initiative is designed to create a single, harmonized submission pathway for Class B and C medical devices seeking approval in both nations simultaneously. On the surface, this is a landmark step towards the regulatory harmonization that the industry has been discussing for years. The goal is to reduce duplicative paperwork, shorten review timelines, and lower the administrative costs for companies looking to enter these two dynamic markets. For a global scale-up, the ability to prepare one technical dossier instead of two country-specific versions sounds like a massive efficiency gain. However, the initial excitement is being met with cautious optimism as experts dig into the details. The true challenge lies not in the shared dossier, but in the subtle yet critical differences that remain in national standards and implementation. For instance, while the core technical documentation might be unified, specific requirements for labeling, user manuals, and language translations will still need to be localized for both Malaysia and Thailand. There is also the question of post-market surveillance. The announcement did not fully detail how adverse event reporting and product recalls would be coordinated between the two regulatory bodies. A fictional example highlights the complexity. Let's consider a company called Ortho Solutions, which manufactures a new Class C orthopedic implant. Under the Unity dossier, they can submit their clinical data and quality management system certificates once, but they quickly discover that Thailand requires an additional in-country usability study that Malaysia does not. Furthermore, their appointed authorized representative in Malaysia cannot represent them in Thailand, meaning they still need to manage two separate local representatives. This reveals the hidden complexities behind the harmonized facade. The pilot program is a fantastic opportunity, but it is not a simple one-size-fits-all solution. Success will require deep, on-the-ground expertise to navigate the nuances of each country's regulatory expectations. Companies that can master this new pathway will gain a significant first-mover advantage, potentially capturing market share while competitors struggle with the old, slower processes. Understanding these evolving landscapes is key to successful expansion. If your company is planning its ASEAN strategy and needs guidance on new pathways like the MedTech Unity Dossier, you can email or visit Pure Global.